Yes.
This is a big cabin week. Hey! Now this is
I'm still getting used to that. It's the best.
I know, it's the best. If you don't know, I'm obsessed. I probably have a problem. I love to take my kids fishing, and this is Take a Kid Fishing Weekend, so we're doing that kid fishing special here. All right, this is Sue's little one. This is a double-fisted giant bass. That's a largemouth, folks. For a little kid, that's like 18, 19. That might be 3 or 4 pounder. Nisswa, 84 degrees. Can you beat that? All right, let's go to Lake of the Woods. Leslie's little one. We're catching, do you guys know what this one is?
No idea.
Crappie.
No, this is a smallmouth. You can see by the red eyes and okay, we're gonna try again. Here, wait.
Right.
All right, hold on, here we go. Alexandria, this one in Browns Lake.
Bluegill.
This is Tim's. What is that?
Bluegill.
Little Sunny. I don't know. I don't fish. Sunny,
That is
crappie.
That's a crappie.
Oh.
And that's a slab there, all right? Slab. A slab is over 11 inches. Okay, now we're gonna go back to this one. What is this one?
Bluegill.
Michaela's little one. Catching a nice largemouth.
Largemouth, okay.
Largemouth in Minong. And look at the weather up there in Minong. You should be at your cabin,
You
Julie.
gotta give us a cheat sheet,
What am I
John.
doing here?
Give us a cheat sheet
All
next
right,
time.
We'll do another. I'll explain we'll do this every week. Can I hijack it to fish? Yeah, I love it. Hey, thank you guys so much. Thanks for sharing your kiddos. Take your kid fishing this weekend. There is nothing better than seeing your little one have the joy of catching literally anything. We could talk later. You want to talk fishing? All you need is a beetle spin. Google beetle spin, throw it in the water, 8 to 10 feet, you will catch fish. All right, here's the almanac. 84 degrees out there for a high today. The average is creeping up to 76, but we've just blown right past that. Say goodbye to that. We are in full-blown summer mode for the rest of summer. That's just what it looks like. And May came in at or below average for a good chunk of the month. Here are the storms now. There goes our storm, just fizzling to a little bit of rain. This is going to be down in Marshall, where we have some showers. Now, I expect these to fizzle quickly as they work across the state. There is Bemidji. I hope this rain just absolutely nails the Boundary Waters, because we saw the story earlier. There's no ban on fires. I'm hoping that there can be enough rain that they can allow that again. I know it's an important part of camping, and everyone loves going up there. So Deer River's about to get a ton of rain. This is staying, look at this one. It's almost as cruel, like you almost had it. Went back. Cross Lake, so close to getting rain. Southwest Minnesota's been getting quite a bit of rain. You don't need more there. Marshall has some showers. We're just ending with some sprinkles now on the east side of town. Again, hey, I'm not going to say it's going to be much more than maybe a 5/100th of an inch, but it's a little rain in Stillwater. Let's talk about the radar estimates. Now, this is technically including this morning, but look at 494, Plymouth, Maple Grove, south of Maple Grove. I had somebody say they only got 0.15 in Maple Grove somehow in that little area. That's very unlucky. 1 inch in Minnetonka, the most down here in Shakopee, Waconia, Victoria, 1.5 inches of rain. But then the East Metro just can't catch a break. Some places less than 1/10 of an inch, like Woodbury. Rain-cooled air mass, 67 degrees. It feels incredible out here. It was hot and humid at 6. Now it feels very nice. Next 12 hours, we're done. We're not cooling or warming. We'll just hang in the middle 60s. Notice, quiet. I have a green light from the wife to go golfing at 9 with 4 of my best friends, and they keep texting me like, we got to cancel. I'm like, there could be 9 tornadoes on that golf course, and we're going. All right? So we're golfing tomorrow. Here's what you need to know. Spotty storm on Friday. Shout out to Chaskatown. We'll be out there chunking it up out there. Spotty storm, mainly PM. Could it rain during my golf round? It's entirely possible. I got it at 20-30%. Perfect weekend ahead, and then super hot. Super hot. Now, here's what it looks like Friday. Mainly quiet. Let's go through the daytime. You see 11. A couple start to show up, but when I mean a couple, it's a couple. You can't change your plans on a 20 or 30% chance. However, somebody will be getting rain Friday. The best chance for storms on Friday is going to be from 2 to 6 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, a beautiful weekend. If we're going to see any rain this weekend, it's going to fall after 6 p.m. on Sunday. And then next week, there it is, sticky, hot, humid, and hazy.